The pen tool is the sixth tool down in the toolbar, and it looks like a fountain pen. This is one of the most important tools in vector illustration. It is also often very frustrating for new users when they can't figure out how it works. It doesn't work like the pencil tool, where we can just draw a line and have it follow us. Rather, the pen tool, we have to lay down every point and determine every curve ourselves. If we have the pen tool selected and we tap on the screen, it will lay down a point. When we tap again, it will draw a line between them. If we tap and drag, we will pull out a Bezier curve handle. If we hold down one finger on the screen while we are dragging this handle, we'll be able to adjust the curve handle independently of the other handle. If we hold down two fingers while we are dragging the Bezier handle, it will constrain the handle to 45-degree increments. In the contextual menu, we can toggle on and off the edit tool, which is really just like the node tool that we discussed before. It even looks just like it. We can go and actually adjust our points, and then when we turn it off, we can continue drawing with the same line. In the contextual toolbar, we can also select our drawing mode. Pen is the default. Smart will try and guess what type of an angle you want, and will lay down smart corners for you. If you want to draw a new line, just hit the X to deselect. The polygon option will only draw straight lines, not curved ones. If I hold down a finger while drawing with the polygon lines, I will draw indirectly straight lines. The last option is line. This will draw a freestanding line on its own every time you lay down 2 points. You can see we also have options to adjust the width and the color of our lines, just like we've had before. We can also use a fill, and if we hit the arrow to the right, we will see the same options that we had in the node tool for dealing with points. That's all for the pen tool. In the next video, we will talk about using the fill tool.